360.com. This is Kiran, and in this video we are going to discuss how to check your EPF balance in online as well as the members passbook, like what are all transactions were made on top of your account in EPF portal, right? So basically everyone will have a UAN number. So basically UAN number is universal account number, which is entitled for every employee, right, who has this EPF account. So like your Aadhaar number, if you are employed with any organization, you will have a universal account number which is across our lifetime. A unique number will be entitled for you as an employee, right? So let's start how to check your members passbook as well as your EPF balance in online, right? So first open a web browser and then go to google.com search engine and then type UAN portal. Then it will show you various links here, so you just click on EPF member portal. Then it will take you to EPF member portal page, right? So here you have to enter your UAN number and password. So these are very important two prerequisites if you want to start and if you want to log in and then check your passbook as well as balance. Let's assume if you don't have a UAN number, please contact your HR of your companies to get your UAN number. If you don't have password or if your UAN number is not activated yet, so here on important links on right side you can see activate UAN. So just click on activate UAN. If you know your UAN number, you just enter your UAN number here. If you don't know the UAN number, you just enter Aadhaar or PAN card number here and enter your name, date of birth, mobile and email ID and the captcha here, and now click on get authorization pin. Then immediately you'll get a pin number to your registered mobile number. Then enter your pin number, then it will give you a password and it will send you a password again. So this is how you can activate your UAN number. So assume that now you have your UAN number as well as the password. Now how to check your passbook as well as your balance. So coming back to your main page, this is your UAN portal page. So you just click on members passbook service available here. If this is the hyperlink, if you click on this, it will take you to the EPF organization members passbook and claim status page, right? So the URL of the website is https://passbook.epfindia.gov.in/member passbook/login. So this is the page where you can get all your passbook as well as balance related details. So on login block, enter your UAN number and then enter your password which you got through activation of UAN, right, and the captcha here. So it generally asks you a question like what is the sum of x and y. So here x is 79 and 2 81. Just click on login. Oops, I have entered wrong password. 41 plus 3 44, right? So now I'm into my Provident Fund page where I can check my passbook and balance. So here it says welcome, your full name and the UAN number as well as your logout button on right side. So here it shows the select member ID. So basically here it shows only one member ID right now because I have worked only for one organization so far. Let's say if I have worked for multiple organizations, let's say A, B, C companies, so I can see all A, B, C companies member IDs here. So your UAN number is unique across your complete lifetime or tenure. So whereas every company, whenever you join in every company, each company will give you a separate ID called member ID. So you will have one UAN number common for multiple member IDs. So now since I worked for one company, so I can check the balance related to that particular company and by just clicking on this particular member ID from the drop down menu, right? And then just click on view passbook. So then immediately it will show you the complete transaction history as well as the summary. So at the top you can see the summary. So this is where I can say total I have 10,928 as my total EPF balance, which I can withdraw at any given time. So, and also it gives a breakup summary like E balance, it's like employee contribution, and ER balance, employer contribution, basically your company's contribution, and E contribution is nothing but it's part of your salary, right? And now you can see the transaction history here. So on which date for which financial year the transactions were happened, and what is the balance of amount being deposited as an employee share as well as employer share. Employer share means your company. So what is the total amount? And you can also check the transaction history here by clicking on pagination. So finally you have 10,928 as a balance, and with the breakup of employee and employee contribution. So this is the way where you can check your complete account balance. So I request you all, please subscribe this channel by clicking on subscribe button, red color subscribe button, and also please don't forget to click on bell icon to get more updates from our channel, right? As well as please like and share this video with your known contacts, your colleagues, so that they will well aware how to check their EPF passbook as well as the total amount of balance available with their EPF account, so that they can withdraw whenever they need it as per their requirement, right? As well as please comment whatever doubts you have. We are ready to help you from infonet360.com. Thank you. So, and also you can download this complete transactional statement EPF passbook by clicking on download passbook. So it will say, okay, this is your passbook and this is the total size. Just click on download, save. So here this is what my passbook is. This comes in a PDF format. You can see your basic details like what is your establishment, your company, and your membership ID with that company, and the office name. It's a field office. Whenever you have a trouble, whenever you have claims, or whenever you have any grievances, you can contact your relevant field office here, and your UAN number and the employee and employer share. And you can see that complete transaction history, what is the employer and employee contribution here, as well as the pension contribution. Basically this pension amount you can withdraw if you have not completed 10 years of services. If you have completed 10 years of services, then this particular amount is completely locked. You can get your pension only after your retirement. So this is all about how to check your EPF passbook as well as balance. And please subscribe this channel infonet360.com, and please click on bell icon to get more updates about future videos. As well as please share and like this video with your known friends, and don't forget to comment. Thank you very much.